This is a 1/48 scale model of the Grumman A-6 Intruder, and it's by Fujimi. And here we have some artwork showing the different versions to build. And let's see any other details here. So let's have a look inside. It's a very large plane. So let's start by looking at our sprues. So over here we have, looks like our seats come off here. Here we have our two pilot figures. We have our instrument panel and cockpit parts here. Looks like part of the electronics system. Large wheels. Here we have our landing gear, wheel covers, nose wheels, and looks like probably foot pedals there. Reasonably well molded. Here's the fuselage. We have air brakes open here, intakes, very large nose. This is a very large plane. All the surface detail is unfortunately raised, and no other detail on the inside of that cockpit. And same for the other side. Here's our cockpit canopy, and looks like it's divided into two halves. And here are our exhausts. You can see there's some flashing and mold lines on those. And the lower part of the fuselage. Here we have our air intake. It's coming off already. We have our stabilizer elevator. You can see again the mold lines. Here we have fuel tanks, pylons, bombs. This molding is reasonable. Here we have all the little bombs and missiles. Reasonably well molded. And here we have wings. So the wings also have raised panel line and rivet detail, except for the major ones, which are recessed. And looks like, unfortunately, that's our wheel well, so kind of disappointing. And same for the other side. And here's the other air intake. Now we're going to have a look at our decals. So we have a number of options here. These look like these are the common ones between the three, and then 1, 2, 3 different options here. And they give you the instructions behind. And we're going to look at our instructions here. Grumman Intruder. Start with number 1 here, building our cockpit. We put together that inside the fuselage. Wings go on. Lots of pieces go on together here. Next, we put together the rest of the cockpit parts, including the canopy. And then we start to build the landing gear, and brakes and hook go on. And then we have the main gear going in there. And then building out weapons. And those are the different weapons, how to build them, and those are the different options. So here's the painting and decal guide. And we have 3 different options. Lastly, we have all the parts listings here. So all in all, not a lot of detail. Molding quality is okay. Some good decals though.